Hey guys, welcome to my first ever tutorial. Here to show you how I do my own threading. So first thing first, things that you're gonna need to do threading is a thread, obviously. Then I have these scissors, a spoolie, just a regular old spoolie, tweezers, important. And that's about it. First thing you do is get some thread, about, I would say, about 2 feet of it, so you can fold it in half and it'll be about like a foot folded. So I usually try to do 2 knots so it doesn't come loose while I'm trying to thread my brows. And there you go. So you should have this, just simple old loop. Okay, first thing after you have your loop is get your spoolie and brush it. So let's start. And take your loop, you kind of just make a cross, just keep spinning one end like this,
The
and
word
you'll
I'm
have a
looking
bunch
for
of
is
little
twist. Twist the
tiny
string.
wiggles here. So what you're doing is you're kind of holding it like this. I use my thumb and my pointer finger, so, and then on this end I use 3 fingers, my thumb, middle finger, and pointer. So if I'm doing my right eyebrow, my left hand is staying still and right is moving like this, like a scissor action.
Left hand is not moving.
So let's say I get this big one tangled in the thread. Just stop. Just easy. You do this, if it gets stuck, don't pull it, just let it go. Just don't have tension in the thread. Have you hold your eyebrows like that because you want to stretch this area out, so you don't get skin caught in the thread. And that's why it's difficult to do your own, because you don't have that ability to hold it, stretch it out, and thread, because you're gonna need 4 hands. Kind of take my hair, and then from a little far I just take them out. I'm not going too close to my skin. I'm getting the ends of the hair caught in the thread. Since the direction is up top, I'm gonna come from up top and just take them out. You brush with the spoolie, brush your hair up. And some hair that they grow longer, and you don't want to take the entire hair out just because the hair is long. So that's why you're gonna need to trim some of the hair. Okay, and gonna trim these. Okay. to cut this end. I like to have a squared end. That's why I cut it. If you like a more rounded end, then you don't have to cut it. It's really up to your preference. Okay. All
So let me
done.
know what you thought of this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you had any comments, let me know in the comments. Please subscribe because I'll be making more of these. Thank you for watching. Bye.